Okay, we're here with the Nexas Networks. My name is Tom Gazenbeck, and I wanted to show you something that we've been playing with, and that was a voice link, VoIP link to our Nexus Orion production interface, also called the OPI or UMI. And what we've done is we've used an AI tool called VoiceFlow and built some logic to have it talk to us and interact with us, and then go off to the internet, and it actually is an Alexa app, and then it gets the status of one of our units somewhere in the world and tells you what's going on. So I'm just going to run it right now, and you can see it in action here. Get status. "26107.